The dismantling of gangs continues to be a major challenge for law enforcers. That's according to the acting head of Crime Assistant Commissioner Fitzbailey. ACP Bailey says a major part of the problem has to do with the Witness Protection Program. Here's TVJ's Shamela Pullen.
The last assessment from the Jamaica Constabulary Force indicates that there are over 300 gangs in Jamaica. But even as the JCF tries to dismantle these gangs, there continues to be a challenge.
In St. Andrews South alone, there are 75 gangs. And of that 75, 28 of them are very active. And if you understand the construct of St. Andrews Central, St. Andrews South, a lot of inner city, poor development.
Legislation was established in 2014 to address the issue of gangs, but according to ACP Bailey, a big part of the problem is getting the evidence from witnesses. ACP Bailey says persons refuse to come forward with information because of fear for their lives or family members.
We have a gang case. We arrested over, maybe it's about 50 odd members of one gang now. That's where it is, over 50 odd. We brought in 30 odd once, and then we continue to pick up. We are about 50 odd. We are targeting 64 members of one gang. Now, when you have to deal with the witnesses, all of those witnesses, the major witnesses have to be put place on the Witness Protection Program. Now, in many instances, and you know the culture that exists in Jamaica, one other witness have a wife, 2 girlfriends, and children. Now, if you are going to put that witness on the program, place that witness on the program, you have to take in the entire family.
He argues that it's a complex issue, but he's still hopeful, even with the creation of the Witness Care Department.
And that Witness Care Department solely just treat with the issues of witness. Many times my officers, at midnight, they have to be trying to diffuse conflict between witnesses because of that type of relationship. And then when you go on those programs, remember that they are maintained by the state. You have to provide accommodation, you have to provide food, you have to provide income, and then you have to work with international partners depending on the nature of the case.
Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.